There's also something inside of you that is not finite. Body is finite. All your possessions are finite. Everything up here on this stage is finite. That means it had a beginning. It means it ends someplace. But inside of us, there's something that is the opposite of finite, which is infinite or infinite. And it has no beginning. And because it has no beginning, it has no end. Emily Dickinson, the great poet, said that this quiet dust was gentlemen and ladies and lads and girls, was laughter and ability and sighing and frocks and curls. This passive place, a summer's nimble mansion where bloom and bees fulfilled their oriental circuit, then ceased, like these. When my mom passed away, they gave us an urn, as she was cremated, and they gave us an urn of her ashes. It was dust. And I looked at my two brothers and I said, surely this isn't Mother. This isn't the woman who had to struggle the way she struggled and deal with the things that she had to deal with in her life, this beautiful soul. You know, Longfellow said that life is real, life is earnest, and the grave is not its goal. Dust thou art, to dust returneth, was not written of the soul. The soul is beyond all of that, because it has no beginning and it has no end. And something that has no end means it has to keep what? It has to keep growing. It has to be. It just continues to grow. I wrote these words out about the soul. The ideal of the soul, the thing it asks for, is neither knowledge or light or happiness. The ideal of the soul is space, immensity. The one thing it needs is to be free to expand and to reach out to embrace the infinite. Yeah, the ideal of the soul is infinity. It's miserable when it's circumscribed and restricted in any way. You know, before I had any children, I had 8 theories about how to raise children. I even wrote about them, all right? Then I had 8 children, and now I have no theories about how to raise children. But one of the things I know for sure about raising 8 children is that nobody likes being told what to do. That little voice that you've all heard that says, "You're not the boss of me. You can't tell me what to do. I'm my own boss. I can think for myself." That's not the bratty outbursts of a spoiled child. That's someone who's saying, "I have a soul. I don't want to be fenced in. Don't put me in a box. Don't make my life what yours wasn't. Don't tell me what I should be or can't be." It's the infinite within each and every one of us. That's the soul. And every single one of us has it, and none of us wants to be put into a box. And all we want to do is continue to grow. And one of the things I can tell you at this age of 74 is that it's just operating in me as full-time as it possibly could be. I am in a constant state of growing now, and almost an elevated state of growing, just really moving, and things are coming to me so rapidly. Like this book, The Impersonal Life, and another book. You know, Maya Angelou passed away this past week or so, and I put on my Facebook page my experience with Maya Angelou back in the 1970s. We were on a radio show, the Owen Spann Show, on KGO in San Francisco. And a caller called in and said something that she was all upset because she wasn't getting the attention that she wanted. And she said, I never forgot it, because she said, you know, the bird doesn't sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song, you know. And I encourage everybody honor Maya Angelou by singing your song, and while you're singing, make it a love song, because that's what she was about. You know, her biography, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, because it has a song, not because it's demanding an answer. There are no answers, but we all have songs that we have to sing, and we don't want to, as Serena said, die with our music still inside of us.